What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I have already started out in the master bathroom. I have cleaned our shower already, and now I am just getting started on this nasty shower caddy. And then I'll be going into my son's bedroom and getting his clothes put away and also tidying up his space. Since my son does not have a ceiling light, we've been using a lamp in his room. I found this on Amazon and we put it up the other day. Well, my husband put it up. I didn't do nothing. Okay, I am in the kitchen now. Only thing I have to do in the bathroom is go back and wipe off the y'all know me in this head, child. Okay, but I have to go back and wipe off the mirror above the tub. But in this kitchen, I have to take care of the stove because I didn't do such a good job last night. You can't really see it, I don't think, but it's nasty. Okay, and get the dishes put away from last night. But after I do that, I'm gonna make some homemade granola cereal so I can use that for my parfaits and my pudding, and also just for cereal in the morning. So I'm gonna get this stuff done, and I actually need to take care of these steps here, so I might just spray those with some Resolve and let it soak in, and then go back and clean those later. Okay guys, so now I'm about to get started on making my granola cereal. Alright. We are all done. I just put on some dried cranberries, and you can also add coconut and chocolate chips depending on your preference. And I went ahead and topped off some vanilla pudding with a little bit of the granola and coconut and chocolate chips, and placed the rest of my granola cereal into a jar for later.
Geek Squad.
To be honest, I don't really wanna keep it G, but you don't really wanna be 100. I don't really wanna. If it don't feel right, I'm never gonna. To be honest, I don't really wanna be 100. I don't really wanna keep it G, but you don't really wanna. But if I love you, then they expect me to say yes no matter what. I be like, nah, nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm the type that's gonna do just what I want. Got no dependence, put myself as number one. No co-defendants, fuck a charge, I'm charging up. But if I love you, you can always call me up. Don't be angry when I hit you with the dub. I'm just working on myself, I need the love. Cause to be honest, I don't really wanna to keep it G, but you don't really know. To be 100, I don't really wanna. And if it don't feel right, I'm never gonna. Cause to be honest, I don't really wanna to be 100, I don't really wanna to keep it G, but you don't really wanna. So when I do it, then you know I love you. Sacrifices being made, I'm having fun. Enjoying every moment in the sun. Lonely Island, I'm the capital of one. No explanations, if I did it, then it's done. With my back against the wall, I'm coming up. 3 defenders, I just hit them with the pump. Coming down, I'm going up, I'm finna dump. And if they touch me, it's a fucking N1. Keep your hands to yourself. I got millions on my body, I got trillions on my mind. I can't share with everybody, everybody won't get it, can't